Another week, and another hawk is watching the birds. This time it's a red-shouldered hawk. These American goldfinches got tired of waiting and began eating. So many of them showed up that there wasn't enough room for all of them on the feeders. Even this northern cardinal stopped by, but he was too nervous to eat. Chickadees grabbed and went, as usual. The hawk started to get sleepy, but became alert again. Something caught the hawk's attention. I couldn't see what it was. Then the hawk headed to another yard, in the other direction.